This is a demonstration of Geoplot polygon selections, checkshot displays, and interactions with Geology Office. Geoplot is a Geoframe application that provides 2D and 3D tightly linked displays for the analysis of seismic, well, and zone data in the Geoframe database. With Geoplot, the user can make 2D as well as 3D crossplots of data and vary what is displayed on the X, Y, and Z axes. The resulting crossplot data can be rotated, colors may be changed, and data may be analyzed with a statistics package. We will first start by taking a look at Geoplot interactions with Geology Office. Geoplot can be launched from within Geology Office template, cross-section, and well picks, as well as well composite and well edit. Clicking on the crossplot icon in any of the modules starts the crossplot function in the Geoplot application with the selected log curve track or all log curve tracks displayed. Note, if all of the log curve tracks are displayed, the first viewing panel contains data for all of the unique log curves. The other viewing panels contain the separate log curves. Geoplot is also a multi-well crossplot application. We can use a multi-well application like WellPix to launch Geoplot, then plot the log data from many wells. Notice we have 3 boreholes selected in WellPix with a predefined template. If we click on the Geoplot icon, a 4-window plot appears. We see that all data from the 3 boreholes are presented in the upper left corner of the Geoplot window. The other panels are labeled and contain only the data for one of the boreholes. If we select the bottom left borehole and use the rectangle zoom to focus in on an area of interest, as we go back to the multi-panel plot, notice that the points are also selected in the upper left panel as well. We can then go to the Statistics dialog and note the statistics are displayed for all of the data. Depth intervals can be transmitted from template and cross-section to Geoplot. By using the interval selection icon, selected intervals from template and cross-section can be transmitted via ITC connection. Geoplot will then highlight points in a crossplot using the transmitted depths. Multiple intervals can also be selected. If an interval needs to be removed from the display, simply click on the Deselect an Interval icon, then click on the interval to remove. Or, if all intervals need to be removed, then click on the Deselect All Depth Intervals icon. Now let's look at the same scenario in cross-section. Manually highlighting points in a Geoplot crossplot will also transmit depth intervals back to the template or cross-section as well. We've seen a selection of points in crossplot using the rubber band rectangle option. This is one of the selection types in the Selection Areas feature in the Geoplot application. Other selection types include Polygon Area, Edit Polygon, and Select Area to clear. Let's now take a look at selection using a polygon area. Toggle a different selection box, then highlight the polygon icon. Then use the left mouse button to select the polygon vertices, then the middle mouse button to close the polygon. To edit the polygon, select the Edit Polygon icon, and while holding down the left mouse button, move a vertex to its new location. If the left mouse button is clicked on one of the rectangle polygon lines and not on a vertex, then a new point is added to the line at that location. If the left mouse button is still held down, the new point can be moved. Selections can also be cleared using the Select Area to Clear icon. Simply toggle which selection to delete, click on the Select Area to Clear icon, then select the area in the display. As we've shown, crossplot points may be selected with the rubber band rectangle or polygon area selection. Histogram bars may be selected only with the rubber band rectangle. Similarly, the parallel coordinate lines may be selected with the rubber band rectangle over an interval of the nearest variable. The selection process works the same in 3D mode, but once the selection is made, the points are highlighted and the selection area rectangle or polygon is cleared. The selection area polygons are not presently saved in 3D mode and cannot be edited. Once the selection has been made, it can then be refined. This is accomplished by choosing any of the 6 selection modes: replace, add, remove, intersect, delete, and erase area polygon or rectangle. Lastly, checkshot survey data can be displayed within Geoplot. The project default checkshot survey data, two-way travel time, and true vertical depth are selectable from the dialog box displayed. When you select the checkshot survey data and click OK, Geoplot is populated with the checkshot data selected. The variables area of the main screen is also populated with the following checkshot parameter variables. Use these parameters to modify the view. In addition to the cross-plot displays, the user can use Geoplot to make histogram, parallel coordinates, or spreadsheet displays. Multiple plots may be viewed, and a hard copy of the resulting displays may be made. Session files may be saved, so work can be brought up at a later date for further analysis or review. Data used in Geoplot may have cutoff factors applied, and the data may be filtered or scaled. Regression analysis may be performed, and the user may use ITC, the Inter-Task Communications Facility, to transfer the data to other Geoframe applications.